Put your money where your mouth is. You've probably heard that saying. And this property presents a great story for me to tell and roll out an exciting program where we pay for the cost of renovation. So here's the deal. This is an amazing property that needs a lot of work. And let me tell you the things I told the seller. They need to paint the interior and the exterior of the home. They need to tighten up the deck. They need to do landscaping. They need to do vista pruning so that we can get better views of the river. There's a lot of work to be done here. And even as I say those things, it sounds overwhelming. And the seller's reaction was, gosh, who's going to pay for that? Who's going to manage that process? And I'm proud to announce that we will. We will pay for it. We will get reimbursed at settlement, but we will front the cost of the money for 0%. Now we're talking about $60,000, $70,000 worth of work here so that the seller can get $200,000 or $300,000 more in return. So I'm trying to eliminate the objection or the problem that sellers have, which is, I don't want to pay for that before I list my house. I understand. We will take care of that. Okay? The program is called Concierge, and I'm excited to roll it out. All you got to do, 3 things. Give me a call. Let's meet up and let's get going. Let's get your property started. The spring market is frankly right around the corner. So don't be afraid of all the work that's required to present your property in the best light humanly possible in 2020. So give me a call now. I'll tell you more about the program. There's really no strings attached. You just got to hire us. We will take care of the cost of the improvements, the staging, and we get reimbursed at settlement. We don't charge you until the home settles. Thanks. Have a wonderful day. It's called Concierge, and I'm really, really excited about this program and proud to roll it out and present the best properties in the marketplace. Have a great day. Bye-bye.